Scout Automobile. Welcome to back 2026 Range Rover Sedan. The moment the camera locks onto the front of this machine, everything immediately feels futuristic. Thin crystal-inspired LED headlights glow through the darkness with an ultra-sharp lighting signature that gives the sedan an intelligent and powerful stare. At the center, the illuminated Range Rover grille looks smooth, premium, and incredibly advanced, hidden beneath smoke metallic detailing that reflects city lights beautifully. The hood carries subtle muscular sculpting flowing perfectly toward the windshield, while the lower bumper integrates massive aerodynamic air channels that give the front end a luxury performance identity. The low wide stance makes the entire car feel dominant on the road, and every reflection across the metallic bodywork creates the feeling of a moving futuristic sculpture. The front design does not rely on aggressive cuts or oversized vents to create presence. Instead, the sedan communicates confidence through clean futuristic elegance. The LED daytime running lights animate slowly during startup, creating the feeling that the vehicle is waking up like an intelligent machine from the future. Beneath the front bumper, hidden active aero elements adjust automatically depending on speed and airflow, improving efficiency while maintaining the clean styling language. Even standing still, the front of the car feels alive beneath the city lights. As the camera slowly moves closer to the hood, the reflections of skyscrapers and neon signs ripple across the metallic surface like liquid chrome. The precision of the panel lines, the smoothness of the body transitions, and the futuristic detailing all combine together to create something that feels more like moving architecture than a traditional automobile. The front windshield stretches elegantly into the roofline, giving the entire upper section of the car a seamless futuristic appearance. As the camera slowly rotates toward the front left side, the proportions of the sedan become even more breathtaking. The long aerodynamic body flows smoothly from front to rear like liquid metal shaped by the wind itself. Massive turbine-inspired alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, while dark metallic accents and futuristic brake systems create an aggressive luxury atmosphere. Flush door handles remain hidden inside the bodywork, preserving the ultra-clean futuristic design language. A glowing illuminated trim line beneath the doors gives the sedan a floating appearance during nighttime driving. The digital side mirrors look sleek and advanced, while hidden aerodynamic channels integrated into the side body improve airflow and efficiency without interrupting the elegance of the design. The deep graphite metallic paint changes tone depending on the surrounding lights, shifting from silver reflections during daylight to liquid black during the night. As the sedan moves slowly through the city streets, reflections flow across the body panels continuously, creating a cinematic effect that makes the car appear unreal. The front left angle also highlights the incredible wheelbase proportions of the sedan. The long body creates limousine-level luxury while the low roofline adds a sporty, futuristic personality. The suspension sits perfectly balanced between comfort and performance, giving the sedan a planted road presence that feels expensive from every angle. Even the wheel design feels carefully engineered to combine aerodynamics with futuristic styling. Imagine this machine parked beside a modern glass building during a rainy evening, the wheels reflecting wet pavement, the illuminated trim glowing softly beneath the doors. Thin LED headlights cutting through the darkness while rain slides slowly across the hood and panoramic glass roof. The entire scene feels cinematic before the car even starts moving. The front right side reveals an entirely different personality. From this angle, the sedan looks incredibly long, low, and expensive. The sporty roofline blends perfectly into the executive sedan proportions, creating a balance between luxury and futuristic performance. The front splitter integrates active aerodynamic technology that automatically adjusts airflow depending on speed and road conditions. These sensors and intelligent systems are blended seamlessly into the bodywork, giving the car advanced autonomous capability while keeping the exterior clean and elegant. The wheel arches create subtle muscular tension without appearing bulky, and the futuristic reflections flowing across the body panels make the sedan feel alive beneath city lights. Imagine this machine parked outside a luxury hotel during a rainy night, with the LED lighting glowing against the wet pavement while the entire silhouette reflects across the glass buildings around it. People stop walking for a moment just to stare at the futuristic proportions. Cameras begin turning toward the vehicle instantly. Not because the car is loud or aggressive, but because it carries a silent confidence that naturally demands attention. The imagined electric drivetrain beneath the body delivers instant acceleration with complete silence. Multiple electric motors intelligently distribute power to all four wheels, creating smooth but brutal performance whenever needed. 0 to 60 could happen in under 3 seconds, yet the experience would feel calm and controlled rather than chaotic. There is no vibration, no engine roar, only silent force pushing passengers backward into handcrafted luxury seating. The moment the doors open, the atmosphere changes completely. The interior dashboard of the 2026 Range Rover Sedan concept feels more like a futuristic private lounge than a traditional car cabin. Soft ambient lighting flows across the dashboard architecture like liquid energy, illuminating premium wood, aluminum, smoked crystal, and leather surfaces without exposing the actual light sources. The dashboard stretches horizontally across the cabin with floating layered architecture inspired by luxury furniture design. Almost all physical buttons disappear, replaced by invisible touch-sensitive technology that only appears when interaction becomes necessary. A massive panoramic digital display extends across the dashboard, combining navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems into one seamless futuristic interface. Augmented reality navigation projects directly onto the windshield, while AI voice systems respond naturally to commands and personal preferences. The steering wheel looks futuristic yet elegant, wrapped in ultra-soft leather with metallic detailing integrated into the design. Every surface inside the cabin feels smooth, minimal, and extremely expensive. The seats are sculpted like luxury lounge chairs with quilted leather, illuminated stitching, and premium cushioning that creates extraordinary comfort. Rear passengers receive executive-level seating with reclining functions, deployable tables, and personalized entertainment systems hidden inside the cabin walls. Even the center console contains hidden storage compartments that glide open electronically with smooth, silent movement. The panoramic glass roof stretches nearly across the entire length of the interior, allowing passengers to experience the sky above while traveling in complete silence. During nighttime driving, the roof reflects city lights beautifully, while soft ambient lighting creates a calm, futuristic atmosphere throughout the cabin. Hidden surround sound speakers transform the cabin into a moving concert hall, while the ambient lighting system changes color depending on mood and driving mode. Even the fragrance system personalizes the atmosphere with different scent profiles designed for relaxation, focus, or nighttime luxury cruising. Imagine sitting inside this cabin while driving through a futuristic downtown skyline late at night. Rain moving softly across the panoramic roof, neon reflections sliding across the leather surfaces. Music surrounding every passenger naturally while the outside world becomes blurred motion beyond the glass. As the camera transitions toward the back left side of the sedan, the futuristic rear styling becomes impossible to ignore. Thin laser-style LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, creating a sharp glowing signature that feels incredibly modern and elegant. A full-width illuminated light bar enhances the massive proportions of the rear design, while active aerodynamic surfaces adjust automatically depending on speed and airflow. The rear shoulder lines create muscular elegance flowing naturally toward the taillights, while the turbine-inspired rear wheels continue reflecting city lights beautifully during movement. Rain sliding across the metallic bodywork creates cinematic reflections against the illuminated skyline, and the rear diffuser integrates smoothly into the lower bumper without unnecessary aggression. Everything feels clean, futuristic, and expensive. The rear left side also reveals how smoothly the roofline flows into the trunk section without interruption. The proportions remain elegant from every angle, making the sedan feel timeless despite its futuristic appearance. As the camera slowly moves toward the back right side, the city skyline reflects beautifully across the panoramic roof, while illuminated details continue glowing softly against the darkness. From this angle, the sedan looks absolutely breathtaking beneath the city lights. The wide rear stance combined with the glowing taillights and smooth body contours creates a silhouette unlike anything currently seen on the road. The charging port remains completely hidden until activated through touch or voice command, maintaining the clean, futuristic appearance of the exterior. Beneath the body sits an imagined next-generation electric platform, capable of delivering extraordinary performance with complete silence. Imagine driving this machine through a futuristic boulevard late at night while neon reflections move across the panoramic roof and metallic surfaces. No engine noise, no chaos, only smooth, effortless motion surrounded by luxury and intelligent technology. As dawn begins appearing on the horizon, the bodywork captures soft sunlight beautifully while the futuristic LED signatures slowly transition into daytime mode. Even from a distance, the sedan still feels unmistakably Range Rover, powerful, prestigious, elegant, and transformed into something completely futuristic. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan concept is not simply a luxury car. It is a vision of what the future of premium automotive design could become. A perfect balance between advanced technology, silent performance, futuristic elegance, and emotional luxury combined together into one breathtaking machine.